Hello and welcome to the Voice of Immigration, where we provide you with information on job opportunities and travel destinations around the world. Today, we are excited to talk about an excellent opportunity for those who are interested in working abroad and exploring Australia. We are talking about fruit picking jobs with visa sponsorship in Australia. Fruit picking jobs are ideal for those who lack extensive knowledge or expertise but are nonetheless able to perform unskilled labor. In Australia, these jobs are in high demand, and the government is granting around 300,000 visas for foreigners in 2023. In this video, we will tell you all you need to know about these jobs, including the eligibility criteria and how to apply. First, let's talk about why you should choose fruit picker jobs in Australia. Over the previous year, Australian agriculture recruiters have successfully placed more than 2,200 candidates in fruit-picking jobs and other harvest-related roles. Many cities and areas in Australia are still underdeveloped, and landowners are looking for farm workers. This provides benefits suitable for unskilled, inexperienced workers, including year-round housing assistance and relocation benefits for visa sponsorship. There are many types of fruit and vegetable picking jobs available in Australia, including almonds, apples, beans, beetroot, blueberries, broccoli, carrots, celery, cherries, citrus, grapes, lettuce, mangoes, mushrooms, pomegranates, potatoes, raspberries, strawberries, tomatoes, and watermelon. Most of these jobs do not require any education or experience, and anyone can apply. Now let's talk about who can apply for these jobs. It doesn't matter where you come from. Anyone from anywhere can apply for fruit-picking jobs in Australia with visa sponsorship. However, it is important to note that only those who are deemed qualified by the employer will be contacted. People from Australia, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, India, Nigeria, Philippines, Pakistan, Kenya, Cameroon, Ghana, Canada, UAE, Trinidad and Tobago, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, and other developing countries have applied for these jobs. So, where can you search for and apply for these fruit-picking jobs in 2023? The official Government of Australia website, Workforce Australia, is an excellent place to start. Simply go to their website and search for visa sponsorship or fruit to find all jobs across Australia related to farming fruit that provide visa sponsorship services. If you are comfortable with any of the jobs listed, send your CV and wait for the employer to contact you for further details. Another excellent website to search for these jobs is Seek. It has a checklist of more than 2,341 jobs, and you can search for keywords such as visa sponsorship fruit jobs and picker jobs. Select the location Australia and click on All Australia. This will list all jobs in Australia that offer visa sponsorship. In conclusion, fruit-picking jobs with visa sponsorship in Australia are an excellent opportunity for those who are interested in working abroad and exploring the country. No experience or education is required, and relocation benefits are provided. If you follow the above process correctly and carefully, you can easily apply for and secure a fruit-picking job in Australia. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified of upcoming episodes. We look forward to connecting with you again in our upcoming video.